to start with our G chord here, with our pinky on the 3rd fret of the E string and our ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B string. And we're going to learn this in groups of 3 at a time. Every 3rd note is a hit with your thumb on the muted strings, like that. So our first note is the bass note of the G chord on the 3rd fret. And our second note is the 2 high notes of the G chord, and then a hit. So far we've got like that. Our second group of 3 starts with our pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, and the 2 high notes of the G chord again, and a hit. So far we've got. Similar again, we just move our middle finger down to the 3rd fret of the A string, play the 2 high notes of the G chord again, and a hit. So far we have. Then with our hand in the same position, we play the 3rd fret of the A string simultaneously with the 2 high notes. We play that twice simultaneously, like that, and then a hit. All together. So for the next section, we want to place our pointer finger on the 1st fret of the B string, and it's going to remain there throughout the next few phrases. So for the next group of 3, the first part is we're going to play our open A string together with that note on the 1st fret of the B string, like this. Then we're going to play the open A string again with the open E, the open high E, and a hit. So we got like that. Then we place our ring finger on the 3rd fret of the E string, still keeping our 1st finger where it is. And this group of 3 starts with the open A and the 3rd fret of the high E string together, and then the open A with the 1st fret of the B string, and a hit. So far all together for that section we have. The next group of 3 starts with the open A and the 1st finger again, and then the open A and the high E again, and a hit. And now we move our 1st finger up to the 2nd fret of the high E, and our middle finger to the 3rd fret of the B. And this group of 3 starts with those 2 notes played simultaneously, then the open D string, and then we put our ring finger on the 3rd fret of the high E and play those 2 notes. So altogether that sounds like this. So that whole section together now is. And then back to the start. So all together we have the first section. And the second section. So I've shown you how to play this one in standard tuning, but if you want to play along with the original on the CD, you'll have to detune your guitar a half step to F sharp. Hope you enjoy this one, and I'll see you next time.